In this video, we'll show you how to charge on a Shell Recharge Level 2 station with your preferred app. We're at a charging station in Laval near the shopping center Carrefour Laval. This station is branded VinFast, but is operated by Shell Recharge. To start charging, open your preferred app and find the location you want to charge at. Select the station ID that matches the one on the station and proceed with the steps in the app to activate the station. You should see visual feedback on the station that it has received your request to charge. Then plug the correct connector in your car. Shell Recharge Level 2 stations typically have a J1772 connector. It could take several seconds for the charge to begin. Your app may only receive session updates with some delay. To stop the charge, you must unplug the charger from your car. You should see feedback on the station indicating the charging session was stopped. Now that you're all charged up, it's a perfect time to explore the surroundings.